Oh, Jah. Oh, Jah. Oh, Jah. Rise up the spirit, rise up the fire. Oh, Jah guide me, Jah carry me. From long time I know Jah wisdom stand tall against Babylon tricks. Me nah bow, me nah fall. Them push, them pressure, but my mind stay clean. Shooting at my heart like a lion unseen. Drums keep beating, calling warriors home. Earthquake shaking down the wicked throne. Me chant for freedom, chant for the youth. Only Jah light reveal the real truth. Oh, Jah fire, burn Babylon light. Jah power, carry me high. Oh, Jah fire, protect me night and day. Guide my path, yeah, when the shadows stray. Oh, Jah, them system cold like a winter storm, but your love hold me, keep my spirit warm. Them build illusion for control man, but me see clearly. Truth not hard to find, me people rise up. No fear in all them eyes, Jah call the righteous. Them hear the sign, Babylon crumble. When truth step near, Jah soldiers march on without fear. Oh, Jah fire, burn Babylon light. Jah power, carry me high. Oh, Jah fire, protect me night and day. Guide my path, yeah, when the shadows stray. Drum on fire, roots and power. Jah Jah warrior me forever. Chant down darkness, chant down wrong. Jah keep me firm, my spirit strong. So me stand tall like prophets before, calling true Lord from shore to shore. As long as Jah breath live inside me chest, me rise up always. Jah do the rest. Oh,